How to remove all section breaks at once in Word, header and footer. So if you want to remove all of the section breaks at once in your Word's header and footer, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. And after that, you need to open up your Word. Now, after opening your Word, here you will have your Word document, right? So if you want to know where you have your section breaks, then you can just simply go with the Home tab. And under Home tab here, you need to just click on this option, which is Show or Hide. So click on it. Once you click on it, here you will have all of these section breaks. So here, as you can see, that I have a section break right here. And if you scroll down, then you can see I have a section break right here. So if you want to remove these section breaks, what you can do is you can just simply click on the section break and hit the backspace, and the section break will be removed, right? But what if you have a lot of section breaks and if you want to remove all of that at once? What you can do is you can just simply go with replace, which is on the top right, or you can also press Ctrl H on your keyboard and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to just go with find, and here you need to enter this command, and after entering this command you need to go with replace all, and it will remove all of the section breaks. Or you can also just go with the replace section, which is here on the bottom, go with special, and from here you can choose the section break, and after that you can go with replace all. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.